Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
How are you, ma'am?
Feeling better, guys? Feeling better? Just I need
Good
one
evening,
more
ma'am.
night of sleep and then good. Guys, let's start with the prayer. Sit in a comfortable cross-leg position. Press sitting bones down. Lengthen the spine. Close your eyes. Inhale, reach the arms up, join the hands in prayer. Exhale, bring the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart. And take this moment to bring the attention inwards towards your breath. Observe your physical body. Observe your thoughts. Observe your emotional state. And observe your energetic field. Take this moment and set an intention for your practice. Let's start with one Om. Inhale. Om. Exhale, release the hands. Open your eyes. Let's start cat and cow position. Knees wide as the mat, toes together. Yes. And we start. 10. Open. Exhale. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Coming to tabletop position. Exhale. Downward facing dog. Hold it here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you're going to lift the right leg up, bend the knee, hip rotation, big circle. Keep pressing the hands, lengthen the spine. 1. Big circle, 2. Pressing hands down. 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Other side. Left leg up. Bend the knee. Hip rotations. 1. Big circle. 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release the left foot down. Bend the knees. Step or jump into Malasana. Malasana. Press the feet down. Press the hands down. You're going to exhale. Extend the legs. If this is challenging, you can take the blocks under and we go. 5 reps. On the exhale, I press the feet, extend. On the inhale, I go down. 5 times. And then the last time, we will press the feet together, lift the heels, press tippy toes down and hold. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's start. Exhale 1. Inhale down. Exhale 2. Exhale 3. Exhale 4. Exhale 5. On the next inhale, everyone down to Malasana. Press the hand towards each other. Elbows to press the knee against the elbow. And now lift the heels up. Balance on the tippy toes. Eyes forward. 30-second hold. Focus on a fixed point in front of you. Try to find the balance. Keep bringing the pelvis low and forward. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, slowly release the heels down. Press the feet. Come into standing position. Super. Standing position. We will start with the hands on the waist, hands in prayer, or arms up. Yes, you choose. Watch me first. Hip rotation. Only the hip. Yes, so I'm not moving anything else. Only the hip is rotating. Yes, we go 5 times external and then 5 times internal. As big as possible. You will feel it in the hip joint. Yes, so moving slow, pressing opposite foot down. Yes? 5 times one hip. 5 times other hip. Inwards and outwards. Yeah? Ready? 1. Without the wall. 2. Guys, find the balance. Eyes forward. 3. 4. Chest forward, guys. Control core. The chest cannot be moving back. And 5. Same leg, opposite direction. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Opposite leg. Guys, find the balance. Core engage. Try to keep the shoulders and the pelvis in the same front line. Let's go. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Opposite direction. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Very good. Now, you will bring the right foot on the inner left side, tree position. Press the foot against the thigh against the foot, so the both create this strong center. Otherwise, if you only press the foot, you will start leaning one side. Yeah? Opposite forces, external rotation. Yes, towards the side. We don't want the knee to come in. I press and I try to externally rotate my hip. So I will press as high as I can. Don't press into your knee. If it's coming only here, press on your calf, not on the knee joint. Yeah, either above or below. And then we hold it. Hands in prayer, eyes forward, arms up, option 2. Hand on top of the right knee, and then you will slide to the side and find your balance here. Give it a go. We aim for 20-second hold each side. Ready? Time is on. Pick your variation, guys. If you go for the most difficult and you're losing the balance, pick one variation less. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Other side. Ready? Time is on. If you lose the balance, try again. First, look at the fixed point and then try to find the balance. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Very good. Next, we will cross right ankle on top of the left thigh, squat. Inhale straight, keep the triangle. Exhale 2. 5 reps, and the last rep, we hold here or lowest. Yes, the arms are almost touching the legs, but I need to sit low. Yeah, so either here or either I go and make my quads external rotation work more. Yes, figure variation. First we go up and down. Exhale, inhale up. Yeah, let's go. Exhale down, squat, press the foot, eyes forward at the fixed point. Press the foot, inhale up. Exhale down, inhale up. Exhale 3, no wall, inhale up. Exhale 4, inhale up. Now last one, exhale 5 and hold. Stay. Super, keep pressing foot down, eyes forward, eyes forward. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, stay 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, slowly coming up. Release. Other leg. First, squat up and down 5 times. First, we're squatting, guys. 1. Mamta, bring the ankle on top of the thigh, above the knee. 2. No, Mamta, watch the screen. 3. On top of the ankle, on top of the knee, above the knee. Your ankle above the knee, above the knee. Nope. 1 second, Mamta, coming. 4. Yes, external rotation now, Mamta. Yes. 5 and hold. Everyone. Press the ankle against your thigh, Mamta. Yes. Super. Find your balance there, guys. Eyes forward, Chintamani. Don't adjust your foot. It's not a half lotus, guys. No. It's a figure 4. Stay full focus. Eyes forward. Malika, look forward. Grip the mat with the toes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press, inhale, lift, release. Very good. Now, you will go into downward facing dog. Inhale, watch me first. Lift the right leg up. Bend the knee to the chest. Right foot between the hands. You will ground the back heel. So external rotation of the back leg. Arms up. Open. Warrior 2. Eyes forward. From finger to finger, a straight line. I will press the front foot. Extend the leg. Inhale. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale 2. 5 reps. And then we will fold. Everyone, downward facing dog. Press the hands, inhale, lift the right leg up. Exhale, knee to chest, right foot between the hands. Left heel down, open external rotation the back leg. Arms up, windmill, open warrior two. Solid line. Palms facing down, fingers together. Look towards the right middle finger. Pelvis in, squat down. 90 degrees on the front leg. Inhale, come up. Eyes towards the right hand. Exhale down. Inhale two. Exhale down. Inhale three. Exhale down. Inhale four. Exhale down. Inhale five. And hold. Warrior two, hold, guys. Warrior two, hold. Those who are not holding, what's going on? Hold, 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 press. Feet down, palms facing the floor. Internal rotation. Eyes towards the right middle finger. Back arm cannot fall, guys. Active, 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 inline. 10, 9, 8 fingers together. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Bring the hands to frame the right foot. Exhale. Downward facing dog. Left side. Left leg up. Inhale. Point the toes. Exhale. Left knee to chest. Land the left foot between your hands. Arms up. Inhale. Ground the back heel. Right heel down. Toes to the side. External rotation of the back leg. Check your front leg. Is it 90 degrees? Can I go lower? Look to the left middle finger, guys. And try to keep the shoulders on top of the pelvis. Sometimes the shoulders go beyond the hip. Kalpana, adjust shoulders a little bit back. Stay, guys, stay. We are holding. Sorry, we are holding. No, we are going up and down. Oh my God. Inhale up. I saw you very determined holding. I thought already we did that. My goodness. Exhale down. Inhale two. Exhale down. Pressing solid with the left foot. Inhale three. Exhale down. Inhale four. Exhale down. Inhale five. Exhale down and hold. Solid straight line from finger to finger. Fingers together, palms facing down. Stillness. Still warriors. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, bring the hands to frame the left foot. Exhale, step back, downward facing dog. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale. Lift the right leg up, point the toes. Exhale, bring the knee to the right shoulder, right triceps direction, high compression, high plank. Exhale, back, three-leg dog. 2, coming forward, knee up, 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 up on the side. And up. Inhale 3. And up. 2 more. Inhale 4. And up. Inhale 5. Step back into high plank. and move to the left side. Left side. Yes, we were doing from here to here, and now we are moving to the left side. Everyone. Yes? Now we will try to bring the knee up, hook the toes, press the head, press the leg, and lift. Bashistasana if you can. Look up and hold. If you cannot hook the toes, press. You can lift here. You can lift the knee up, arm up as well. Yes? 20-second hold. And then we will exhale to downward facing dog. Everyone trying. We don't let the hips fall down. Hips up, core engage. Try, whichever variation. Yes, Mamta, go. Knee up otherwise. Last 10, squeeze the glutes forward, Kalpana. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release the leg. Come back to high plank. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale back. Forward towards the triceps. Side, guys, side. Inhale, lift. And 2. Inhale up. Pointing the toes. Guys, some of you are lost. Exhale, 3. Inhale up. Exhale, 4. Last one up. Exhale. Move now towards the right side. High plank, right side. External rotation, open the knee or hook your big toe, extend the leg up. Bashistasana if you can, eyes up to the sky. Find your balance. The points of contact with the floor are pressing, core engage. Squeeze the glutes, Kalpana, squeeze the glutes, hip extension. Try, Kingdom, try. Sony. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back to high plank and bring the knees down. Guys, let's fix for a second the Bashistasana. Let's fix it for a moment. Even the high plank, I have to be on a solid plank, which is from downward facing dog. This is my plank. Now, if my downward facing dog was here, my plank is already. How can I do anything here, right? So I need to make sure my stands are correct. So you can go from tabletop, step back, tabletop, downward facing dog measurement, and from here high plank. Until then you become, it becomes automatic for you, yeah? Now we shift to the side. First step, if my hip is going down, I have to press the foot, core, and hips up. Glutes are squeezed. If I'm solid here, I start thinking of bringing the foot in or knee up. The point of contact, left foot, left hand has to be solid down. And only then, when I'm solid, I can think of extending up. And only when I'm here solid, I can think of doing this. But if the leg is going like this, you need to stabilize first the grounds. So we try. Only 10-second hold. Each side. Yes? Don't pick the most difficult variation. Yes? Choose something that it's challenging enough, but it allows you to go into alignment. Yeah? Let's try. 3, 2, 1. Full focus on what we are doing. Kalpana, press the hand. Solid. Vital, hip up, hip up. Monica, hip up. Kengang, hip up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Guys, we stayed longer because some of you were not there. It was only 10 seconds, but half the class was up, half the class was thinking about it. Second side. Second side. Now we are aiming for 10 seconds, but everyone has to be on point. Let's go, guys. Only 10 seconds. Solid. Chintamani, come on. Up, everyone, guys. Wakey, wakey. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Very good. Now, watch me. Downward facing dog. I will lift the right leg up. Bend the knee. Bring the right foot outside of the right hand. I will go and ground the back leg, external rotation. And I will lift the chest. Interlace the fingers behind. Lift the chest. Inhale. Press the foot. Humble warrior. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down. My legs have to be solid. Solid means point of contact pressing down, point of contact pressing down, pelvis low. Yes, I'm interlacing the fingers and the shoulder is going through the inside of the knee. As low as possible, yeah? Watch from this side. I am here, toes out, external rotation, and this leg is forward. I'm not here. Square the hips, shoulders forward. Interlace the fingers behind, lift the chest, press the right foot, and you go as low as you can. Press the foot, inhale, lift. 5 times. Last time you go forward, either here, or final pose, forehead towards the big toe. To come out, core, press the foot and lift. We will front, exhale, downward facing dog, and then same thing. Other side. Yeah? Ready? Downward facing dog. Inhale, lift the right leg up. Exhale, land the foot outside of the right hand. Ground the back heel down, external rotation. Inhale, chest up. Interlace the fingers behind. Exhale, humble warrior. Down, 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 down. Pelvis low, 90 degrees in the front leg. Inhale, press the feet, lift up. Exhale, down. Inhale, press the feet, lift up. Exhale, 3. Inhale, press the feet, lift. Exhale, 4. One more in. Exhale, 5 and hold 20 seconds. Solid legs, pressing the feet down. 90 degrees in the front leg. We are not resting on top of the knee. The shoulder is going on the inside of the knee. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, lift up. Bring the hands down. Exhale, downward facing dog. Adjust your downward facing dog stance. Vital, hips up, hips up, hips up. Yes. Inhale, left leg up, point the toes. Exhale, knee towards the left side, foot outside of the left hand. Ground the right heel down, toes out, external rotation of the right hip. Press the left foot down. Inhale, lift the chest. Interlace the fingers behind your back. And exhale, press your feet. Humble warrior 1. Inhale up. Exhale 2. Inhale up. Exhale 3. Inhale up. Exhale 4. And up. Exhale 5. Humble warrior hold. Those who were close to the final position, keep going down. Try how is this side. See if your forehead can touch your big toe. Pelvis has to go down. Legs have to be solid. We are holding. Strong legs, guys. Strong legs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring the hands down, coming to kneeling position and watch me. We will take 2 blocks. Now, from tabletop position, the blocks you will keep them on the edge, inside of the mat, on the edge. Yeah? Tabletop position, the hands right behind the blocks. The right foot will go above. Press and lift. Lizard position. Pelvis low. Either on my hands or I bring the forearms down. The back leg is extended. Yes, I'm pressing the front foot against the block. Let's try. "30-second hold." Guys, try. Time is on now. Pelvis low. Sima, pelvis low. Forearms, hands down. Actively pressing right foot on top of the right block. Last 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Other leg. From downward facing dog, left foot, right foot, whichever foot you can do, outside on top of the block. Tag the back toes under, lift the knee, keep the pelvis low, arms straight or forearms to the floor, pelvis as low as you can. Actively pressing the foot against the block. Heel up, Lila, heel up, yes. Sorry, heel up, knee up. Stay, guys, find stillness. Pragya, we are having a foot on top of a block. Front foot on top of a block. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, slowly. Release. Good job, guys. Watch me. We will keep the same block forward. Yes, tabletop position. Place the front foot 90 degrees this time. Yes. Press 90 degrees, 90 degrees on the back leg. And now I will try to bring one forearm down. Yes, try to hold and try to bring the head. Yes, I'm trying to hold. Left hand to the right ankle. And I try first to go back a little bit so I can then move forward. Yeah? Trying, guys. If it's not happening, I can try to place 2 blocks. More intense on the hip, but it gives us more space to catch and try to go under. Yeah? Give it a go. 5 tries to go under, guys. Breathe. Don't force it. Just press the front foot. See what happens. Yes? Opposite hand is catching the ankle to make space to go through. The front foot has to press against the blocks, guys. It has to be 90 degrees. Monica, one step forward with the back knee. 90 degrees in the front leg a little bit and try to go under. Kiran, yes. It was going well. Try, guys. 3, 4 times, 5 times if you can. See what happens. You need to actively press the foot, otherwise the hip starts opening external rotation. Yes? We want to try to slide under. Yes, Tony? Press the foot on top of the block. Don't let the hip open too much. Lila, try 90 degrees front leg. Opposite hand, left hand, try to catch the right ankle. And now walk the other hand through, under and through. So you can try to sneak peek with your head, under. Anuja, you can try 2 blocks. Guys, if we need more height, we try 2 blocks. Now, we will all try to hold as maximum as possible through. Yes? I know some of you are not reaching through, but try. Yes, it's more the technique than the ability to go through. Without the right technique, you can't go through. So make sure you're pressing the front foot, keeping the 90 degrees. Guys, watch one more time if you're lost. One more time, watch. And then we go. Yes, with one block. Foot on top. I need 90 degrees here. If I'm too far, it's going to be more difficult. I need 90 degrees both legs. Now this foot is very much solid pressing. Otherwise, the moment I try to go under, this starts to happen. Yeah? So we want to press solid and try to go under. Under the leg and then through. Yes? Those who can go here, you can try to lift the back foot. With 2 blocks, exactly the same, you have more height. But you need to be able to press the foot down. Here you have more space. See? Relatively easier. Just it will be more intense on your hip joint. It will be more intense on the hip joint. So if you're here, you can try to bring the foot. If you can catch, you can catch. Yes? We aim for 15, 20-second hold, whatever you can hold. It's not a job of the neck to force and go through. Okay? It's a solid legs and a solid stance that allow us to do some compression and twist through. Let's try. Everyone trying, guys? Time is on. Don't try to go by force. Just breathe and try to use the force of the foot against the blocks. The hip starts to open, you're lost. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Other leg. First we try 5 sneak peeks. Try to go through and out. Try to go through and out. And then we will do the hold. See how is this side? You might surprise yourself here. Guys, I insist, watch your front leg. Kalpana, you need to go more forward. Back knee, more forward. You're super far, it's gonna be difficult. 90 degrees, back leg. Now press the left foot down on the blocks. Right hand to the left ankle, Kalpana. Right hand to the left ankle. Right hand to the left ankle, And now try to go through. Okay, guys, now we will go for the hold. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Remember that the last step to go through is to lean the hip a little bit back, make space for the head, and then come back to 90 degrees. Yes, Monica, yes. That's a good direction. Kingam, also, you can lean a little bit back. Maybe the head goes through. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly. Release.
Oh, excuse me, ma'am, my current is gone.
No worries.
That's why it's become dark.
No worries. Guys, are we good to continue? Chintamani, you have a question? No, are we good? Super. Watch me, guys. We will keep the blocks to the side. Take a sitting position. Now, we will bend the left knee. Open the right hip. Yes, so I will go a little bit above the 90 degrees. I try to bring the heel up. I don't know if you can see. Yes, I'm pressing sitting bones down. I'm not leaning in one. I'm pressing both. And I'm trying to catch one up. If I can with the same hand. To the forehead. 2, 3. Yes? Now, guys, I don't know if you can see. I'm wearing all blue. The knee is going out and the heel is going up. It's not this. There's a little bit of external rotation as I lift. Yes? As I lift, as you can see from here, the heel goes up. Yes? So we go 1. Try to touch heel to forehead. Bend. 2. And down. Now, guys, here we need to press sitting bones down. If not, you will start leaning backwards like this. Yeah? So we try. Bend one knee and the other one will lift. You can try like this or you can try like this. Elbows have to pull towards you. Yes? 5 times and then we hold. 3, 2, 1. And down. 2. And down. 3. And down. 4. And down. 5. And hold. Hold. If you can touch heel to forehead. Keep pressing the sitting bones down. Lengthen the spine as much as possible. Hold it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other leg. Second side. And we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. 5 and hold. See how is this side? External rotation of the hip, heel towards the forehead. If I can touch, I touch. I keep my eyes forward, not down. Press with the sitting bones down. Lengthen spine, lengthen spine. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly coming down. Now, guys, we will take leg behind the head. With the head of the wall. Now. Watch me. I will sit 1 palm distance from the wall. Yes? Not too far. I bend the knee and I will catch left hand, right foot from the center. The right hand under the right calf. And I try to bring it up. If I can do this and go back, I try to bring it up until I can place the calf behind. Yes? Now if I fall, I have this. But I need to make space because I have to bring the hip up if I'm too close. Maybe I'm limiting here. Yes? 1 palm is enough distance. Now we don't want to reach the wall, guys. I want you to have the wall for safetyness. Otherwise, if you know how to put the leg behind the head without the wall, you try to place it. If you can hold it here, one hand in prayer, other hand in prayer. Press with the back of the head and look forward. Otherwise, we will try to come as far as we can. Maybe here, maybe here. We need to externally rotate. See? Now the hip is moving back. Now when it's external rotated is when I have the space. Yes? Is this movement that the hip is doing when we are sitting? Yeah? So we try, guys, leg behind the head. It's not easy. However, it can be worked on one step at a time. Now, guys, if you have never done this, don't try to go by force. This doesn't happen in one day. Yes, we need to go slowly with the breath, moving one step at a time, one step at a time. See from here, the knee, if I bring it this is difficult. I cannot bring it fully. I need to externally rotate and then bring it back and behind. Yeah? Let's try, guys. Final pose for today. Everyone trying. See my external rotation of the hip. The knee is going straight back. Right now you're bringing the knee straight back like this. You need to open external rotation. Yes, Anuja? One breath at a time. Guys, moving slow. Yes, Kiran? Go, 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 go. Continue. Siddharth, yes. Soni, yes. Pragya, yes, yes, press. Once you have your leg behind the head, with your neck, with the back of your head, you press back. So you can start, lift the chest and look forward. Guys, I know it's tough. Don't get discouraged. Try. Kalpana, use both hands. Yes, one hand on the heel, opposite hand on the leg to try to bring it behind. Yes, Lila, external rotation. Now you have the leg, the foot catch. Yes, 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 but keep the leg up. So we keep the leg up and we keep going for the external rotation. Those who finish one side, go for the second side. Now, second side can be a completely different world for good and for less good. So please don't get frustrated. For me personally, the left side was very tough, and now is my best side for whatever random reason of the universal laws. So don't force it. Whatever happens on the first side, forget about it. Go completely on a different blank page. Yeah? And breathe, guys. Some of you are trying to do by force. By force, you will block more and it will not go. Need to be calm in the breath. Yes, yes, yes. Come on, Vital. Anu, yes. Siddharth, come on, try second side. Slowly, slowly. Lakshmi, yeah. Almost. One breath at a time. Kengam, you are going on the good direction. Don't give up so quickly. Try to keep it, even if it doesn't reach behind the head, if it reaches here. Fine. Try to breathe 1-2 times. See if then you can have more space. Sometimes when we feel, oh, it's not going, then I go down. No. Try to take one more breath, two more breaths, and slowly, slowly see if you can make space. But with the breath. Malika, yes? Anuja, almost. This side is more tough. Monica, yes, yes, yes. Moving slow. Those who are sitting, both sides are done. Yes? Super. Now, guys, let's relax. Take a sitting position. Make a diamond shape. Interlace the fingers at the front. On top of your toes, bend the elbows and try to bring the forehead towards the toes and hold. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come up, sit in a comfortable cross-leg position. Press sitting bones down, lengthen the spine, close your eyes. Inhale, reach the arms up, join the hands in prayer. Exhale, bring the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart and take this moment to feel the heart beating for you, keeping you alive. Appreciate the fact that you're alive, that you're living this life through a human experience and the uniqueness that comes with it. Take also this moment to thank yourself for showing up today with love and compassion towards yourself, towards your body, and in devotion to your practice. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Let's finish chanting one Om and 3 Shantis together. Inhale. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rub the palms, bring all the energy towards the palms of the hands. Place them to cover your eyes. Bring the eyes open. Allow the light to enter your voice through your eyes. Light the palms on your face. Draw a beautiful smile. Namaste. Thank you so much, guys. Super class. I hope you enjoyed it. Yes. Be patient with your hips. Yes, it's a delicate joint. And in my personal experience, in what I've could learn until now, Every time someone tries to force these deep hip openers, it gets more blocked. It gets more blocked because it's a deep range. It's no, you don't go around the house. Oh, let's see, leg behind the head, right? It's not a natural movement like a squat. So it requires all our attention, all our focus, all our breath. When I was in my Ashtanga days, I was trying by force, like all the Ashtangis. Yeah? Blockage completely, frustration all over the place. On top of how tough is the practice of Ashtanga already. Then when I started to get relaxed, let's see what happens. I don't care about the result. Then only then, my body opened. The opening was there, guys. The external rotation was there. The mental pressure I was putting on the pose was not allowing me to enjoy the pose or feel anything. Only pressure, pressure, pressure. Yeah? Slowly, slowly, all of these deep hip openers, deep back bends, inversions that are a little bit outside of the day-to-day task, we need to always approach with utter patience and compassion for the body. Yes, and of course we have goals. Yeah, I want to achieve this. It doesn't really matter your goal. What matters is the process that you're going to reach that goal. And then you will have another one. But if you approach your yogasana goals with the pressure, it will create frustration. And instead of leaving, you will leave the class frustrated. There was already enough frustrations throughout the day, enough things. Yeah, in class, frustration, out the window, bye-bye. Yeah? Always patient, guys, with your body. Always patient. And if you don't believe what I'm saying, blah, 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 you're chatting, blah, blah, blah. Observe your body. When you are detached from the result in the class, beautiful things happen in your practice. Because you are having and allowing the space. If you come, oh, today it's splits and I have to get my splits. Today is this and I have to get that. Then, oh, yo. Because one day maybe you reach it, right? And you are confident, but then that's the ego. I want the same results today. Maybe today your body needs more grounding, more relaxed, and you're forcing, nothing happens. Yeah? So all at the right time will unfold, but only from a calm breath, calm mind, slowly approach. Yeah? If we try to rush the process, the body will stop you. In any way. Anxiety, frustration, anger, not wanting to practice, la. We need it. This is the tool for life, no? It's the home of your soul. It's carrying you everywhere. We need to be compassionate, tough, but compassionate. Yeah? In all the senses, in all the areas. Because however you treat your body in the class is how you treat your mind, yourself in the day-to-day. Yeah? If you're pushing through pain, pushing through this, pushing through that, we have done it at some point or another, myself included. Never a good outcome. Never. Yeah? So very important to keep this in mind. Super important, guys. Yeah? Super. I'll see you tomorrow for more. Yes. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.